Deinstitutionalization of status offenders, also known as DSO, is one of the core requirements of the Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention Act, enacted by Congress to address the treatment of youth in the juvenile and criminal justice system. Its intent is to keep minors out of the criminal justice system. The Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention Act is also known as JJDPA. It has 4 parts: Deinstitutionalization of status offenders, aka DSO. A status offender is a juvenile charged with or adjudicated for conduct that would not, under the law of the jurisdiction in which the offense was committed, be a crime if committed by an adult. Adult jail and lockup removal. This requirement focuses on removing juveniles from adult jails and detention facilities. Sight and sound separation. This requirement ensures that accused and adjudicated delinquents, status offenders, and non-offending juveniles are not detained or confined in any institution where they may have contact with adult inmates. And racial and ethnic disparities. This requirement focuses on helping states address and eliminate racial and ethnic disparities within the juvenile justice system. Research shows the impact of institutionalization on youth led to high cases of reincarceration. Studies also showed juveniles responded better to community-based programming, decreasing their chances of committing future crimes. So what is a status offense? A status offense is a violation that only applies to minors whose actions would not be considered offenses if they were adults. For example, skipping school, breaking curfew, underage drinking, running away from home, or possession of tobacco or vaping products. This is Alex, a suburban teen who decided to skip school with a friend.
Thanks for coming with me. I can't believe I finally escaped my parents in that school.
Isn't running away a little extreme? We should probably get back to school. Don't you think it's time to get help?
All right, ladies, party's over. These are school hours. I need to see some IDs.
In cases involving status offenses, parents or legal guardians are typically expected to take stewardship over the child and address the issues within the family setting. Here's a few reasons why that may not happen. Inadequate parental resources, limited parental capacity, complex family dynamics, lack of awareness or understanding, need for external support. Youth handgun safety exception. The DSO requirement does not apply to juveniles charged with or found to have committed a violation of the Youth Handgun Safety Act or a similar state law, which prohibits a minor younger than 18 to possess a handgun. Such juveniles may be placed in secure detention or secure correctional facilities without resulting in an instance of non-compliance with the DSO requirement. While the intent of DSO is to divert youth charged with status offenses away from detention, there will inevitably be exceptions to the rule. These cases are called valid court-ordered exceptions, also known as VCO. VCO was amended into the JJDPA in 1980. While the DSO protection remained intact, judges and others were given the option of placing adjudicated status offenders in locked detention if they violated a valid court order. For example, if a judge orders a minor to stop running away from home and the minor violates this order, VCO can take a status offense, protected from secure locked detention under the JJDPA, and convert it into a delinquent act that is not entitled to the same protection. Let's revisit Alex, our runaway case. When we last left Alex, she was running away from home and got busted. But Alex wasn't done. She kept running away, was put on probation by the judge, and is now back in court for violating her probation. How will the judge respond? Let's find out.
Alex Smith, you stand before this court today for violating the terms of your probation, which was imposed after your previous incident with truancy and being beyond control. Ms. Parker, do you have any remarks on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, I'd like to begin by expressing Alex's remorse for her actions. She understands the seriousness of the violation and acknowledges her lapse in judgment. We ask the court to consider alternative measures to support her rehabilitation and growth.
Thank you, Ms. Parker. Alex, the court has reviewed your case thoroughly. Officers have been to your home several times in the span of only 3 months. This violates the terms of your probation and shows a disregard for the opportunity you were given to make better choices. It's this court's decision that you'll be sent to a juvenile detention facility for 2 days' time.
To be in compliance with a VCO, valid court-ordered exception, it's important to remember the court must issue a written order that 1. Identifies the order that has been violated, 2. describes the reasoning the order was given based on facts, data, and best interest of the minor. 3. Specifies the length of time, not to exceed 7 days. 4. May not be renewed or extended unless the offense is committed again after the court issued the first order. And, lastly, please remember, to put a youth in detention using discretionary time goes against the intent of this exception. It's important to remember, the purpose of DSO is the deinstitutionalization of minors. Compliance with DSO is demonstrated when a state can demonstrate no such juveniles were placed in secure detention or correctional facilities.